Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos with POCO X5 Pro. And to do this you will need to open your camera, then click on these three lines in the top right corner of the screen, enter macro mode. Now you can pick up your phone and point it at the object you want to take the macro photo of. Make sure it has a very good light, and then close it in about 3 or 4, between 3 and 5 centimeters away from the object. Then press on the shutter button like that. And now we just made our macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.